Do you wanna build a snowman?
We used to be best buddies, and now we're not.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Starring today in Twisted Disney series is Princess Anna. Anna will be frozen to death, and that's why I made these little icicles out of TranspaArt. It's a thermoplastic and you can shape it in any shape you like, something like Warbler. When we think of frozen, we think of frostbite. So we start by adding a little bit of orange, pink and purple to the zones that we want to affect. The first signs where you will see frostbite is lips, nose, cheeks, chin, ears, toes. But we're not doing those. I add a little bit of liquid latex on my lips, on my cheeks and on my nose and my forehead. These are places where we will rip open the skin later on. You can also create larger frostbites by using larger patches of liquid latex. I just wanted to keep it minimal for once. I'm attaching the smallest icicle on my cheek, and here you can see I'm pulling open the liquid latex that we put on the lips, just creating a little hole to make it look like the skin is ripped open. Next, we're going to use some purple and bluish eyeshadows to create a more realistic effect. I'm adding a bluish tone all over my face to make it look like I'm very cold. But I'm also adding a little bit of purple around the wounds from the frostbite. The inside of the frostbite should be super dark and the area surrounding it should be like more purplish. Grab some brown and burgundy eyeshadows to deepen certain areas like my eye sockets. This really helps you give that very sick look. I'm using liquid latex and small pieces of cotton to attach the middle-sized icicle on my neck. The benefit of this TranspaArt thingy is that they are super lightweight, so they can easily be attached with just a little bit of cotton and liquid latex and they won't budge at all. Bought this wax eye spray from Korealand and I hadn't used it before, so it was quite new for me and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just sprayed it all over my face, which was not so smart. I also didn't see any effects immediately, so I started using white grease paint to paint my eyebrows and eyelashes. But slowly as the spray was drying, I could see my hair turning a little bit more white. I also got this icicle gel, which was very new for me, and maybe I should not have mixed it in the jar because it started to get very thick. And it was so sticky, it kept sticking onto everything except for the areas where I wanted the icicles to come, so I was getting pretty annoyed. The struggle was real with this one. But the end result is quite nice. I must say I am a fan of this product and I think you can do lots of things. This is how sticky it was. Imagine having that stuck to your fingers. I mean, that's insane, right? This might even be worse than liquid latex. You can slowly see me get the hang of it, but still I haven't figured out what's the best way to work with it, so yeah. Once I felt like there were enough, I started adding a little bit more purple tones with my Skin Illustrator FX palette around the wounds of the icicles where it really penetrates the skin. Notice how I also didn't add any redness inside the wounds of the icicles. That's because I really wanted to give the illusion like there's icicles coming from inside her body, so if you got what I mean. I'm finishing off my skin with a little bit of blue veining, which makes it a bit more realistic in my opinion. And then I added the lenses, which weren't realistic at all. Added some blood. And then we were finally almost there. Like I added a little bit of the spray to the hair. And you just have to be patient and then it gets real cool. Also added a little bit of fake snow on top of the hair. And then we were done. There is Anna. Frozen to death, killed by icicles. Damn. I've been wanting to do this look forever, but I couldn't find the right material for the icicles, so I'm very happy I could finally do it. Hope you guys liked it, and there will be one more princess tomorrow, but can you guess which one? Don't forget to give me some thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow.